Eric, sewing machines and vegetable matter, not material you often see in an architecture firm. Can you explain what's going on here?
It's a project by 9 architects, 10 actually, in Boston. We started with 9 and then we added 1. The project was something that we wanted to do together, and we wanted to do something we knew nothing about. So that was the premise. And so we identified a research topic, which was a vertical park. So we pooled our collective inexperience and designed something that looks something like this. We just completed the project a couple of days ago. You can see the kind of gradient of green and the different sort of patches. So that sort of combined our interest in a kind of surface or textile materials with a research interest which, like I said, we didn't know anything about, and now we know a little bit more. We're here on site at 90 Wareham Street in the South End in Boston. You can see the panelized park on the wall over there. We call it Party Wall Hanging Green, and we felt that some of these sites were opportunities for interventions by architects, and so we decided to try to green some of the hardscape in Boston. So we experimented with different varieties of vegetable matter. This one is a succulent ground cover called sedum, and we essentially sewed it onto these mesh panels and suspended it from stainless steel cables. This is actually a chia pet. It grows in anything, just to add water, as you know. So this is the annual rye. Regent wants to make a dress out of this.
So I understand the firm has an interest in electronics and interactive media. Can you explain this dress here?
Sure. This is called the defensible dress, and basically it helps define your personal space and protect your personal space. It has a microcontroller with a passive IR sensor, and when it's activated, what it does is it allows the flexinol wires, which are a shape memory alloy, to get heated up, and then they contract, and that's what's allowing the mechanism to operate. So it's just through heat.
And has anyone worn it out on the street yet?
In the first couple of prototypes, yes, it was worn by a couple students of mine around MIT, but it's not exactly the most comfortable garment to wear about.
And what's the footwear policy?
Okay, so the footwear policy in our office is that there are no shoes allowed in the space. Everyone gets a pair of issued office slippers, and thus you can see everyone's got some cotton slippers.
And are there any clients who resist the footwear policy?
No, actually, I think we actually got a project because the client was so enamored with the footwear policy.